Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to go through this entrance here. Going out is pretty easy, but coming in is gonna pose quite a challenge. As you see, I'm parked, so I'm going to come down on the left hand side of the road, and I'm going to push the head of the truck into that post right there, and then see if I can jackknife it into the property. And as usual, we have to wait for the truck that is loading to exit before we can enter.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Later that same evening.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me. Hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Make it last forever. Stop in time.